till 2006, I used to walk around, I used to run around. I was a very confident person till 2006. Ninth standard, I had given my ninth exam, and after that, what happened was I had a fall in the washroom.
All right, welcome once again to yet another Hall of Fame interview with my beautiful energy queen, Vishaka. So, Vishaka implemented the energy queen system and she's got massive results in her life. Let's hear from Vishaka. But before you hear her, I want to congratulate her. Congratulations a lot, Vishaka, for achieving the Energy Queen Light Bearer Award today. So, many congratulations to you, and let's hear about you. So what has your life been up until now, and in which areas have you really progressed after implementing the Energy Queen system? So let me hear from you. Let's go.
Yes, ma'am. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Vishaka Menon, and I'm from Mumbai. Uh, I'm a resin artist. Actually, I'm a resin artist. And before joining, I actually joined this Energy Queens family because of many things in my life. I was having a lot of anxiety issues, and because of which I was eager to know whether there was any way to come out of my anxiety and overthinking. I had many days which I was overthinking a lot, and because of which my life was a complete mess. I was having many sleepless nights because of that. So I really wanted to get out of my condition. So that is when I saw your profile on Instagram, and I just jumped in without even thinking. I jumped in, and today, whatever I am even sitting in front of you, it is because of you, ma'am. Because of all the teachings I've got from you, I'm able to
Vishaka.
sit. Yes,
It's very kind of you to say that, but yes, you've been a very strong woman for that matter throughout. Yes, so I know that you have some physical issues also right now. So you are on your wheelchair and you're not being able to get up. You dread your physiotherapies also, all that I know. So tell me about your accomplishments. So you were saying that your life has changed, and you're sitting here right now, and you're sitting here because of after joining the sessions or whatever. But what results have you got? So let everybody know that, so that we can inspire so many, right, through your story. So let us know what exactly, which area you're talking about. I mean, your work field, your personal, your health. I want to talk about all of your areas. So let's go one by one, Vishaka.
yes. The first thing which I cured was my emotional side, because I was a very emotional person. I'm still a very emotional person. But yes, but upon working on my emotional side, I came to know that it is all about energy.
Hmm.
You have taught so well about energy that I studied, I kept learning and kept implementing it in my life. And all I knew that my energy frequency was very low in my life, and I kept working on that. I did so many practices like gratitude practice. I attended your morning energizers with so much of, I have never missed any of your sessions. And
Yes.
yes, so all that led to so much of confidence, so much of raise in my confidence with your system. I became systematic in life. It all came in line because of your teachings and everything. I implemented all these things, and I'm very happy that I'm able to lead a very channelized life now.
Amazing. And now, what about your anxiety, and what about the sleepless nights and all that? So, is it any better now?
It is very much better. I'm sleeping on time, and I'm getting a very good sleep. I'm totally rid of my thoughts. I've totally got rid of my thoughts, and I
Restless
always,
thoughts, right?
yes, restless thoughts, and I always look forward to be a positive woman, confident woman.
Amazing.
And yes, I feel much more confident now with the mirror work, especially with the mirror work.
Okay. Amazing. So you love
Yes,
yourself, Vishaka, now.
yes, I love myself too much.
Too much. Amazing.
Yes,
And it's reflecting in your family also. Everybody is happy, right?
yes, ma'am.
Looking at your
Yes,
progress, is your family happy? Is your mom, dad?
very happy, very happy.
Yes. So you're having good relationships also now.
Yes,
So
yes.
let's talk about your relationships a little bit and then we'll go to the career side. So what change have you seen in your relationships for that matter? Any specific changes? I mean, if there is any.
Yes, actually, there is, because I was a very angry person. I used to get angry and I used to get very sad before, because I was concerned about my family's health and everything. And that used to make me it used to make me where my life will lead.
Hmm.
Overthinking about my family's
Hmm.
uh, health and everything
Hmm.
since corona. I know my friends who have lost their parents, their loved ones. So seeing all that, that led to my emotional distress. It
Okay.
led to a lot of emotional distress, and that is when it started. That is where it started getting even lower and lower.
Right. Okay.
So working upon my emotions, like I started doing ho'oponopono, EFT tapping techniques, and that helped me release a lot of fear from my mind.
Hmm.
And I only worked on myself. As you said, as you had told me once, I remember very well, it's not about them right now, it's about myself. So
Hmm.
I worked every night, each day, each night. I worked upon my frequency,
Hmm.
my energy frequency, and I could see a significant shift in my life, ma'am.
Amazing, super amazing, Vishaka. Thank you for sharing that. And what are your dreams now? What are your goals when it comes to your career? Are you achieving it? I mean, what do you see? How do you see yourself? I remember the girl who just wanted to be emotionally uh, good, for that matter, came to me that I want to be emotionally strong. But now you've started your own career, you're getting interviews. So let's talk about that also. So what is happening right now in your life? Please let us know.
Yes, ma'am. Career wise, I have to confess one thing, that I have not completed my education because of my health issues, because of not able to being walking. So I have left school. I have studied only till ninth standard.
Hmm.
But yes, and that was also one of the reasons, because I was emotionally low,
Hmm.
that I was not able to, do things like other human beings, other people, live life like other people. I used to overthink about that also a lot.
Hmm.
Overthinking about everything led me to what I was and why I joined your system.
Hmm. Hmm.
So so now, yes, now that I have got back my confidence and everything, I look forward to a bright future. I look forward to, I'm looking to clear my SSC this year or next year probably.
Lovely.
So there also I am looking for progress only. And when it comes to interview part, I have attracted one interview. My sister-in-law has helped me to, to get this opportunity. Even if I don't get it, it's not a problem. But yes, I can say that my frequency is getting higher, and I can work upon myself. I can say that with full confidence.
Yes. And now, but you've launched your own podcast channel. You now on
Yes,
Instagram. You're a wellness coach, and you
yes,
started upon your own career also. Yes. You
yes,
started
ma'am.
already earning little bit money. Yes.
Yes.
For yourself. So how is that journey going? So just let me know about your career, more about your, what is this wellness coach and what do you call yourself and what have you been doing lately?
Wellness coach, actually, I have started posting videos on Instagram to make people aware, to make people aware of how how the energy work is going on and what is energy work, and with certain affirmations, by practicing certain affirmations, how you can change your current situation,
Hmm.
and how you can attract more opportunities in your life
So you started
positively.
going live on Instagram also, and you are now completely
Yes,
confident on that, right?
yes. I was a very I was a person who was very scared to even switch on the camera in front of you. Actually, I was that shy a person.
Okay. And what about
So now I have gained back my confidence with the mirror work. The
yes. So how
mirror work,
many lives have
which
you done so far on Instagram?
lives, I might have done 5 or 6 lives
Okay.
until now. And yes, my confidence is growing.
All right. Very
Thanks
good.
to you.
And what
Thanks to
about your
you.
podcast channel? You've launched your podcast channel also?
Yes. Two episodes are done.
Okay.
One I have done on meditation, and the other one I have done on nutrition.
Okay.
So it's like I am trying to make people aware. It's my earnest uh, trial that people know more about, how by keeping themselves aware, they can change their current situation, and they can lead a very healthy and happier life.
So, can you see the transformation, Vishaka, from where you were and where you are? Once a girl
Yes, ma'am.
who was depressed, once a girl who was self-anxious, zero energy, and now you want to you want to help other women, other people, and make
Yes.
them aware. How does that feel? So let's talk about that a little bit. How does it feel? So from a girl, I mean, I want you to speak about it more, as in, from where you were and where are you now, and inspire everyone around for that matter. Right? So tell me more about your career.
Career, as in, ma'am,
So tell me
uh,
more about your way, where you were and now with whatever you're doing, with your podcast, with your what do you say, the Instagram, you want to inspire other people also, right? So
yes.
I mean, just talk about that, little bit more about that. Like, from where you were, you started out underconfident, now and now you're actually inspiring other people. That's a huge transformation, Vishaka. So let's talk about
Yes.
that. Yes.
Yes, I was very shy before, and I was having very cute sleep problems. I used to sleep at around 3 a.m. and all. I was that kind of a person. But ever since I worked on myself and my energy, I wanted to, spread this awareness to others through my live videos, and whatever videos I have posted till now. I I I have always tried to, inspire other people to take action, and to be consistent in their life.
Hmm.
It's like, as you said, it's not about perfection, but it's about consistency.
Yes.
So I want to make the people who are following me on Insta aware that it's not about perfection, it is about consistency. It's about taking consistent actions, be it little actions also.
Hmm.
It is very important to keep taking action
Amazing.
and not worry about the result.
Oh, wow. I love that, Vishaka. So, how do you feel? I mean, you know, you can't walk right now, right?
Yes.
It's taking you, and it's been how many years that you can't walk right now?
2006. 2006 onwards.
2006 onwards.
Yes.
What happened in 2006? What was your journey like?
uh, till 2006, I used to walk around, I used to run around, I was a very confident person till 2006. Ninth standard, I had given my ninth exam, and after that, what happened was I had a fall in the washroom.
Okay.
That was my problem. And since then, I have been, due to pain or due to laziness, you can say. Mainly, it was laziness only. My problem was laziness only. So it was like I just sat without doing anything. I became that lazy कि I could not do anything. I didn't want to do anything at at that point of time, and that, that led me to a lot of problem. And after that, when I started doing physiotherapy, I had a fracture, and since then I've been permanently on the wheelchair only.
Okay. So
Till that, I used to walk around.
to
2006 to 2013, I used to walk around.
okay.
But yeah,
So from 2013, you've been on the wheelchair
yeah, completely.
after your fracture,
Yeah, thigh bone fracture.
thigh bone fracture. So, but that could have
Yes,
been cured, right? If you would have
yes,
been lazy,
yes,
you
yes,
could have walked,
yes, I would have walked.
but you didn't choose to walk at that point
I
of.
didn't choose to walk. I didn't choose to walk.
So you didn't wanted to walk, or what was it?
I don't know, something happened, and something, it made me completely like a rebel. And I was acting very weird with my family. My family was trying maximum to, get things into my mind, that if you don't do, they were trying to make me aware of the consequences. But I was in such a mental state that I was not ready to, listen to them. And that is what has led me to the person I
Last,
am today.
last 10 years, you've been on your wheelchair, Vishaka.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And now you want
Yes,
to really come out of it.
yes.
So by when will you come out of it? What's
Maximum
your
by
goal?
one, maximum by 2 years, not more than that.
2 years is a very long time. Come on, Vishaka, you can make it earlier.
Yes, yes. I am trying to be consistent. I am trying to bring in that vigor in me so that I can, achieve a lot in my life.
Amazing. Super. Vishaka. So more energy to you, Vishaka. Lots of love to you. And
Yes, ma'am.
yes, I mean, I'm going to see you shine like never before, right? Shine like, and your smile is very beautiful. And I hope
Thank you so much.
smiling and keep growing in your life and achieve massive results in your life.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Thank you so much.
most welcome, my dear. Chalo.
Thank you
Take
so
care
much.
and all the best in your journey towards inspiring other people and, of course, being super duper healthy for your own.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming into my life, ma'am.
Thank you, my dear. Super.